Sir, do you think I'm stupid? Paulit-ulit tayo kanina na sinabi na natin na ward di ba? Sinabi na natin government hospital, nililinaw ko na eh. Sinabi ko na kung 960 may complication, yes or no para matapos tayo. Di ba? Para matapos tayo. Mr. President, I think the Secretary wants to go back tomorrow. Let's just go back tomorrow. Let's have every day na lang to. Simple-simple tanong ko sa iyo para matapos tayo Ayaw mo sagutin Di ba, tinanong ko sa iyo, Heart Center. Heart Center is a government.
Heart Center, zero balance.
Zero balance.
Hospital.
Sir, hindi mo pwedeng yes or no?
I said yes earlier.
Then stop at yes. Okay? So 960, walang complication, bayad. Sabi mo yes. 1.5 million dahil nagkaroon ng complication, ano to, indigent, babayaran dahil zero billing. Okay. Lipat ka ngayon sa private hospital. Naka-charity ward. Walang complication. The 660 till 960 covered, di ba? Yes, okay. Nagka-complication, 1.5 million. Magkano lang covered?
960.
960 lang?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying from the start. Yung cost mo na to doesn't include complications. So don't tell me kanina na complex kasi to kasi pwedeng may complication. Yung amount mo dito is for basic. So if you do the survey in all the hospitals, then announce to people, eto yung rules. Kung government hospital, ganito. Kung private, ganito. Ilan kami dito? Si Senator JV, nakailan amendment na yung PhilHealth? We were here then. So we know the law. We know na kulang ng pera. Hindi yun yung issue. Ang issue, chairman po kayo ng PhilHealth, hindi nyo ginagawa yung survey. And then sasabihin nyo mag-migrate, pilot pa lang, next year pa lang. So in the meantime, each and every one of our constituents na may problema, hindi makapagpagamot.